Let's take a look at the extra work that's required if you make a down payment on your loan. So in this case, you want to buy a $209,000 house, and you plan to pay 5% down payment. The remaining is what you would borrow from the bank. How much is the loan amount going to be? All right, so there's basically two approaches. There's a two-step, and that is where you first find the interest, and this is 0.05 at 5% times 209. I said find the interest. It's not really what I mean. Work out what is 5% of the value, and this gives us $10,450. And then subtract that from the cost of the home to find out how much is still left over for you to borrow from the bank. $198,550. Let's take a look at the calculator work, make sure this all works out. So 0.05 times 209,000. That's how much your down payment will be. And if we subtract that answer from 209,000, that's how much you still have to borrow from the bank. Now the one-step approach is to think about, well, if you pay 5% down payment, how much is left? 5%. 100% minus 5% is 95%. That's how much you still need to borrow from the bank. So you can just do 0.95 times the cost of the house, and in one step work out how much you need to borrow from the bank. Your choice how you do this, two steps or one step, but let's double check. 0.95 times 209,000. There it is. Now, why would you do this? What would you do next? In this case, this is a loan problem. And so what we would be working out is how much we're borrowing from the bank. And so with this formula, we would then find the monthly deposit, or sorry, the monthly payment that you would need to make to the bank. But you need to know how much you're going to borrow from the bank before you go to this type of formula. So that's why you work the down payment first, and then with how much is left, that's what you work into the down payment, the monthly payment formulas. So go ahead and pause the video and work out question on the right. You should get $204,000 for this question. All right, I hope this helps.